timeout. Watch him look over. He looks over after they did the hard clap. They're trying to make the adjustment. That next snap brought the ball. He's very fortunate. He's able to hold on to the football. The safety that makes the plays over here, I think he telegraphs it. Really stares it down, then throws it high and late over the middle. But the true freshman, Fitzgerald, with his third pick this year. What a way to get a career started at Miami. 3 interceptions as a safety.
Yeah, quickly. He took it back 43 yards to set Miami up in plus territory. Again, it's Brown and Fletcher flanking back. And it's a flea flicker. Back. Launches downfield. Tony's out there. He's got a touchdown, Miami. Trickery as they cash in the takeaway. 44 to the house.
What a call by Shannon Dawson. Little, just get aggressive. What does Miami typically do? They want to run the football on 1st and 10. Safety gets a little bit nosy. Comes down, wants to help out and run support. Now he realizes it's too late. The flea flicker catches him napping, and a perfectly thrown deep ball that time by Carson Beck.